Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change taskbar position in Windows 11. So it's mind-boggling that Microsoft still didn't add this native feature to Windows. So if you, for example, go to taskbar settings, taskbar behaviors, as you can see, we have nowhere to do that. That's just insane, makes me a little frustrated, but whatever. So in order to do this, we'll just use a very cool small registry hack. So just open up your reg editor, then you go to this path, I'll show you, paste this path into here. Then guys, you just need to go into the settings, double click, and in here you're searching for a particular key. So look at the first row, under FE, you will have this 03. So 03 is the setting that controls taskbar that sits in the bottom. So now if you want to change its position, just change this single number. So how do we do that, guys? So you can just double click on it like this. And instead of 3, let me see. So if you type 01, right, so 01 is going to go to the top. And then you have also 2, which is going to be right, and double zeros is going to be left. So whichever place you want to, pin it to inside that particular number, only to this one, don't touch anything else. Then press OK, close out, restart your computer, and when you restart, you'll have your taskbar where you want it. That is it. Enjoy the guide as always, and thank you for watching.